Okay, so my name's Robbie and this is my digital reflection. I'm doing this on my cell phone because my computer wouldn't download Windows Movie Maker. So let me begin by saying that throughout this course there was a lot of creative problem solving required because of the way the instruction was, meaning we weren't just spoon-fed what we need to do, so we had to come up with solutions to our problems on our own. I mean, we could ask for help and we would be helped, but we had to do a lot on our own, which led to a lot of thinking out of the box, problem solving. We went over a lot of different projects. Some of them I had already done in other computer classes, such as the Microsoft Office program assignments, but for me the most difficult assignment was probably the Excel assignment because I hadn't used Excel since I was a senior in high school, and it's just there's a lot of little things in Excel that you have to know to be able to properly use Excel. So for me that was probably the assignment that took the most effort and creative problem solving, just because of all the little details that go into Excel. I learned a lot of stuff throughout this course. Probably the most useful, besides Excel, was I learned about Google, or My Drive through Google, and which is a great place to collaborate with group for group projects. Like Google Docs and presentation through Google, all that kind of stuff. It makes it really easy to collaborate with people in a group because you don't have to be at the same place, or use one computer. Everybody can simultaneously work on the assignment from their own computer. So that was nice. I'd never heard about Google or My Drive. Basically, that pretty much wraps it up. I mean, we went over a lot of assignments, but for me, most of them were fairly easy. Like I said, Excel was pretty hard, and I'm glad I learned about Google Docs. Probably the most fun assignment I did was the short animation video, which isn't necessarily very useful, but it was pretty fun. And that about wraps it up.